Hi everyone, I'm Sarah and welcome to another episode of TEO.
And I'm Mike, your co-host. I hope everyone's having a great day. How's it going, Sarah?
I'm doing well, thanks. I'm excited because we've got a lot of interesting AI updates to dive into today. Shall we get started?
Absolutely. Let's jump right in.
First up, Google has been busy. They've introduced a couple of new tools. Their NotebookLM now features a mind map tool that visualizes document summaries as branching diagrams. And they've also launched Gemini's Canvas, an interactive space for real-time collaborative document and code editing.
A mind map tool sounds intriguing. How does that help users exactly?
Well, mind maps are great for visual learners. They help break down complex information into digestible parts, making it easier to understand and remember. It's a powerful way to organize thoughts and concepts.
And what about the Gemini Canvas? Is it similar to Google Docs?
It's a bit like that, but more advanced. It's designed for collaborative work, especially in coding and document editing, making it easier for teams to work together in real time. It's part of Google's broader initiative to enhance their AI product suite.
Got it. Sounds like Google is stepping up their game. What's next on the list?
Moving on, Rocket Learning and Google.org have launched Appu, an AI tutor targeting preschool education in India. It's starting in Hindi and aims to expand to 20 languages to serve 50 million families by 2030.
That's ambitious. Why focus on preschool education specifically?
Early childhood education is crucial for development. Appu aims to provide accessible learning resources to young children, especially in underserved areas, giving them a strong foundation from an early age.
Very impactful. What's happening with Tech Mahindra and NVIDIA?
They're working together to develop an autonomous pharmacovigilance solution. It uses NVIDIA AI Enterprise software to automate drug safety workflows, which is a big deal for the pharmaceutical industry.
Pharmacovigilance. Does this mean monitoring drug safety?
Exactly, Mike. It's about ensuring that medicines are safe and effective. Automating these workflows can streamline processes and make them more efficient, potentially saving lives.
That's huge. And I heard Wipro is also partnering with NVIDIA?
Yes, they're offering sovereign AI services, which reflects NVIDIA's growing influence in the industry. Plus, NVIDIA also showcased advancements in autonomous driving and acquired Gretel, a synthetic data startup, to boost their generative AI offerings.
Sounds like NVIDIA is really expanding its horizons. What else do we have?
Over to Fractal, they've invested $20 million in Aspert AI, which develops AI-driven growth solutions for consumer goods and manufacturing sectors.
Investing in growth solutions seems like a strategic move. Is this a trend we're seeing more of?
Definitely. Companies are leveraging AI to optimize operations and drive business growth, especially in competitive sectors like manufacturing.
Interesting. What's new with Hugging Face?
Hugging Face launched Hugging Snap, an iOS app that uses local, offline AI to describe scenes captured by an iPhone, focusing on user privacy and energy efficiency.
Offline AI. How does that work, and why is it important?
Offline AI processes data locally on the device without sending it to the cloud, which enhances privacy and reduces energy consumption, crucial for user trust and sustainability.
That makes sense. And what about Terra AI?
Terra AI secured $7.8 million to develop zero-shot navigation software, enhancing robot autonomy without costly hardware upgrades.
Zero-shot navigation. That sounds technical. Can you break it down?
Sure. It means the software can guide robots in new environments without prior training, using AI to adapt on the fly. It's like giving robots a sense of intuition.
Fascinating. What's next?
Datamina raised $85 million in pre-IPO funding to expand globally and strengthen its real-time AI-driven event monitoring tools.
Real-time event monitoring. Are we talking about news alerts?
Exactly, but on a larger scale. Datamina uses AI to sift through vast amounts of data to provide timely alerts on critical events, which can be invaluable for businesses and governments.
Very useful. And what's XAI up to?
Elon Musk's XAI has integrated image generation into its API with the Grok 2 Image 1212 model. Users are increasingly using Grok AI for fact-checking, although there are some concerns about potential inaccuracies.
Fact-checking through AI. What are the concerns?
The main concern is accuracy. AI models can sometimes produce incorrect or misleading information known as hallucinations. So while it's a powerful tool, it still requires human oversight.
Good point. And I heard OpenAI is making headlines too.
Yes, they've released O1 Pro, a more powerful reasoning model via their developer API, but they're also facing a GDPR complaint after ChatGPT generated incorrect personal data about a Norwegian man.
Ah, the infamous AI hallucinations again. How are they addressing this?
They're likely refining the model and working on safeguards to prevent such errors. It's a reminder of the importance of accuracy and ethics in AI development.
Absolutely. Let's switch gears. What's happening with AWS?
The GM of generative AI at AWS, Raj Agarwal, is leaving to pursue new ventures. It's a significant departure given his role in products like Bedrock and Amazon Q.
That's a big change. Do you think it'll affect AWS's AI initiatives?
It might, but AWS has a strong team and strategy, so I expect they'll continue to innovate and adapt.
And SoftBank?
SoftBank is acquiring chip designer Ampere Computing for $6.5 billion in cash to bolster its AI infrastructure.
That's a massive acquisition. What does it mean for the AI sector?
It strengthens SoftBank's position in the compute sector, crucial for AI processing power and infrastructure.
Great insight, Sarah. What's ClearGrid up to?
They're using AI to modernize debt collection in emerging markets by automating and personalizing borrower outreach, which improves recovery rates and reduces costs.
Modernizing debt collection. Do you think it'll make a big difference?
Absolutely. It's all about efficiency and effectiveness, and AI can significantly enhance both.
What's new with Pruna AI?
They've open-sourced their framework for compressing AI models, which helps optimize performance and reduce costs.
Open sourcing sounds very community-driven. Why is that important?
It fosters innovation and collaboration, allowing developers worldwide to improve and build upon existing technologies.
Makes sense. And what about LinkedIn?
LinkedIn's Skills on the Rise report emphasizes AI literacy, creativity, and core tech skills as essential in India's evolving job market.
AI literacy. I assume that means understanding AI basics.
Exactly. As AI becomes more integrated into various industries, having a basic understanding can open up new opportunities.
I see. And why Combinator?
Michael Seibel is stepping down from his group partner role after a decade, which is a notable leadership change as they continue to see a surge in AI startup activity.
A lot of changes there. And lastly, SkyServe and D-Orbit.
They're collaborating with NASA JPL to develop AI-driven systems for enhancing Earth observation, which will enable real-time monitoring and faster decision-making during critical events.
Real-time monitoring sounds crucial, especially with climate change and natural disasters.
Absolutely. It's about getting accurate data quickly to make informed decisions and mitigate impacts.
And Cadence and NVIDIA?
They're expanding their collaboration to accelerate computing in simulation and design, integrating NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture with Cadence's Jet AI platform.
Sounds like another powerful partnership.
Indeed it is. And finally, some academic and research developments. There's been a debate on AI achieving human-level intelligence, and a new technique called inference time search is being explored.
A lot to unpack there. How close are we to human-level AI?
We're making strides, but there's still a long way to go. Current models are impressive, but true AGI, or artificial general intelligence, is still on the horizon.
Thanks for breaking it down, Sarah. Any closing thoughts?
Just that it's an exciting time in AI with so much innovation happening across the globe. I can't wait to see what's next.
Me too. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll catch you next time on TENO.
Take care and stay curious.